Here's how you can add text behind anything in free version. First add basic text and then type whatever you want to. I'm typing cute puppy and then copy the picture and paste it on the top of the text and then go to the color, find this option and then select this one and then select the area you want to add your text behind. Zoom in, and if you want to go down, press your scroll button and then just go down and zoom in for the details. For me, I just want to add text behind this puppy, so I'll just cut out the picture of this puppy. Start selecting the area you want to cut out like this. And if you do any kind of mistake, you don't have to worry, just select that point and adjust it however you want it to be. And once you're finally done, when you're finally done, go to the notes and add alpha output and then connect the dots. Then we go back to the edit page and you can see the text went behind that puppy. You can edit the text however it looks good, however you want it to be. So change the position, zoom in, zoom out, do whatever, however it looks good. Add stroke, add shadows to it so it'll look better like this. See, it looks so good. And this is how you can put your text behind anything. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video.